topic is serverless architecture with AWS Lambda. First we'll understand what is serverless architecture. Serverless architecture means develop do not managing the servers. It doesn't mean that servers do not exist. AWS handles servers, server processing and everything, and scaling and maintenance. Everything is automatically it will handle, and we only write the code and upload it to the AWS Lambda. This reduces operational work and helps the team to focus on business logic only instead of infrastructure. AWS Lambda executes code it will respond to the event. An event can be an API calls or file upload or anything. When the event happens, AWS start the Lambda function and runs the code, and then it will stop. We need to pay only for the execution time. There is no always running servers like EC2 or no need to stop or stop the services. It will do everything. And AWS Lambda code is very simple in concept. First, it will receive some input like user details or request. Then it will process the input and, for example, checking the data or doing calculations, kind of things. And it will send back a result such as success or failure. And the code runs only when it is needed, and it will stop automatically after finishing that. And first, then we'll understand the serverless architecture. When user sends a data, it will first go to API Gateway. API Gateway acts like a door that forwards the request to the Lambda and runs the code and perform the request actions. If needed, it stores the data from the database. After the processing, the response is sent back to the users. And let's understand about using real-time example. Using this user sign-up application, a user fills a sign-up form and click the submit button. The request goes to the API Gateway, which triggers the Lambda function, and Lambda checks the details, user details, and save them in a database. Finally, it will send a message, either it is failure or success. It will send back. And even if many users are using the sign up a page, still it will see the same thing, and the system works smoothly without any managing the services. And benefits: no server management and auto scaling, low cost.